Hello you guys, welcome back. So if you guys have seen my previous videos about my Roomba, I did a review of our Roomba E6 about 7 months ago. So we've had our Roomba for about 8 months. And let me just tell you guys, I use it probably 5 times a week, if not more. So originally when I posted that video, people were commenting saying that the replacement parts were very expensive and kind of hard to find. And I had one person comment and say he found some on eBay at like a lower cost. So I was like, okay. So I remember going on like the Roomba website and I looked up because I needed to get more filters because clearly those aren't gonna last that long. So what I've been doing is I usually just vacuum the filters, or I did wash them a couple times, which you're not supposed to do because it takes forever to dry. But so the reason I wanted to do this video is because I was kind of forced to buy some replacement parts. Because let me just show you. Okay, let me warn you guys. This Roomba is very dirty. It needs to be washed, but I wanted to kind of show you guys what broke first, and then I'll show you what I got in the replacement kit, and then we're gonna replace it. So it's kind of nasty right now. Heads up. So this is what broke off. There's usually 3 of these, and the one right here broke off. I have no idea where it even is. I never found it around the house. So you'll see like the rollers are they're dirty, but they're, you know, they're not in horrible shape, but they could use a replacing. So I did what I always do when something breaks or I need something. I go straight on over to Amazon and I just searched Roomba replacement parts. And I was originally just gonna buy that piece, you know, that I needed, that broke. And this one popped up that comes with 3 of those pieces, the 2 rubber rollers, and 3 filters for, are you guys ready for this? $23.99. That is insane. So I read the reviews. There's only 3 reviews. So I was like, fingers crossed that this is what I need and these are the right items. And so now we are gonna open it up and make sure that it is the right product and this is what I need, because if I just found replacement parts for $23, that is amazing. Okay, so this kit that I got, it says replacement parts for the iROBOT Roomba i7, i7 Plus, E6, E5, E7, which I have the E6. So there are quite a few models that this will replace. So yeah, so let's open it up and see if these are the right products. And if it is, we're gonna go ahead and put them on. And what I did read in some of the reviews is that once you replace all this, it's almost like having a brand new vacuum. It just like brings it back to life. And I'm so excited about that, because not that we're having problems with it, but hey, it's been about 8 months and it gets used a lot. It just comes in a little bag like this, and it is literally the products I need. This is so exciting. So yeah, it's got the 2 rollers here, 3 of the filters, and then 3 of these little guys here. So here's the rubber rollers. And then here's these 3 little guys. And then the 3 filters. So actually what I'm gonna do right now is go on the Roomba website and just see how much these products are going for right now and just see what a deal we got. So I hope that like we're getting a good deal. I hope that I don't come back and I'm like, oh, they were the same price. I don't think so. Are you kidding me? Okay, so this kit right here that I just bought on the Roomba site, it is $64.99. What? $64.99 for what I just bought for $23. That is insane. I hope I don't get in trouble for this video. I hope the people that I bought it from don't get in trouble, but oh my gosh, like that is insane. For just 3 of these filters on the Roomba website, $34.99. For 3 of these, what? For 3 of these, $14.99. Guess how much these are for just this set? $34.99. What on earth? That is insane. Okay, so yeah. I am actually blown away that I found this set on Amazon for so cheap. I will link below this exact set that I got. I have a feeling it might sell out pretty fast because, oh my gosh, that is insane. All right, so yeah, we got a smoking deal. All right, we're gonna take it over to my counter and we are going to change everything out and then see how it runs. If you guys haven't checked out my review video, and I also have a how I clean my Roomba video, I'll link those down below and maybe up above too if you guys wanna check those out. Do you guys have a Roomba? What do you guys think? Do you love it? If you're thinking about getting one, get it. You will not regret it. I love mine. I found one on Amazon pretty cheap that I have linked in my description box, but we bought ours at Costco because they have the best return policy. So if this thing breaks, I can just take it back no matter how long it's been. But yeah, you can find them cheaper on Amazon, but we just love the Costco return policy. Okay, for this part, you just open it here. Oh my gosh, this thing is filthy, disgusting. And while I have it open here, I'm just gonna kind of clean it up a little bit before I put the new ones in. I'm gonna take this part off. So you're just gonna screw this part off. And it pops right off. And oh my gosh, hair, like hair gets everywhere. And this looks like it's exactly the same thing. It's got the same little screw in there. So I'm just gonna pop this right back in. Bam, that was easy. And then while I have this upside down, I'm gonna take this little wheel out and clean inside of here too. This gets full of hair as well. And this part actually comes off too. So much dog hair. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we are gonna put, these are the new ones, put these in. There we go, and then the filter goes in here, and this is where the filter is, right back here. And we're just gonna dump this, I'm gonna throw this away and dump this. Okay, and then this just goes right back in like that. And put that in there. All right guys, that was that. That was super easy. I'm gonna turn it on and let it run and see if it runs like it's brand new again. Okay, you guys, so as I was getting ready to put this back on its base, I don't even know how I did it, but I accidentally like had it upside down, and I must have been holding down some buttons because it like beeped, and then it just completely shut off. Like 5 minutes, I could not get this thing to turn on. I went online, I tried like resetting it, I tried holding down all the buttons, like nothing was working. It wasn't even lighting up, and I was like, what the hell have I done? Like, are these replacement products like faulty? Like, what makes it not work? Like, what the heck? So I kept Googling like what to do if it won't turn on. So come to find out, it was doing a software update. So it said that this could take up to 10 minutes. I don't think it took 10 minutes, but as soon as it was done, it kind of just like, I think the clean light started flashing, and then it was able to work again. So I don't know if you guys have ever had that problem, or if you've ever had it like stop working. Apparently it's doing an update and you just need to let it do its thing. I did not know that. I thought I broke it. So I went in and I had to reset up the Wi-Fi and get it connected to the Wi-Fi again. But yeah, so I was very confused. I thought I'd broken it. So I just thought I'd give you guys a heads up too, if you've ever had that problem. Just maybe wait 5-10 minutes and then come back and see if it'll work again. All right, bye.